But the true power of Pear Deck is in the presentation and the interactivity. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Again, you're on your menu and you're going to go present with Pear Deck. Once you do that, it will prepare the files. One of the things you need to know is that your transitions are not going to work in Pear Deck. And if you have a GIF or a GIF, however you pronounce that, it's likely not going to work either. So the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to say, can you see this presentation on the projector? Because the idea is that you're projecting this. So you are connected either through VGA or HDMI. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to say, okay, I see it on the projector. Then what you're going to do is direct your students to joinpd.com, and that is the code, determined watermelons, vacate misty yards. Now, they're going to have to sign in with a Google account in order to access this, okay? So your whole class, if you're presenting, I don't think that it's case sensitive, but in this case, I'm going to demonstrate, and I have my friend who's demonstrating as well. So there will be 2 students who are participating here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next. It says 1 student has arrived. Are you ready to start? I did it wrong. She's in, I'm not. So I'm going to go again. DWVMY. And I'm also in. So you'll notice it tells you the students have come. So if they need a little bit more time, or you'll know, okay, 2 of my students haven't logged in. I have 28 right now and only 26 of them are in. Okay, so then you're going to go to your actual presentation and you're going to present. You can use a clicker if you want, like you normally would. Well, here's the GIF I was telling you about, which is only a static image. So I wanted to show you that. But then here's that interactive part. So on your computer, it says draw or type 2 things that you already know about social media. So I'm just going to, I have it on my phone, and I've got the option to use a line or text or a pencil. I'm going to just put something in here. I know that it can be awesome, and I know that that people are fearful of it. Okay, so, and then Jaslyn just put something that you think. So we talk a little bit beforehand about everybody can see this, so please make sure you're doing something appropriate. And then it's going to, you'll notice it says 2, my screen is obstructed here, but 2 students have responded. It'll tell you the number of students who have responded. And then I can go to project the student responses. So this was mine, and it will show me what Jaslyn wrote as well. So all of your student responses will be there, but I can also show a grid layout. So I can put them all up there if I want, or I can have an overlaid layout so that they're actually going to be on top of one another. So you can see some of the patterns and trends. And to hide student responses, that's all I do. And that's basically every time you've asked for something interactive. So here, start a mind map. Again, it appears on my phone. It appears on the student's phone. They can use, they can type. I'm just going to put hello for now because I actually didn't watch the video. And again, it says once they're done, it'll show the number of students that have responded. So mine is up there. I've got 1 student response. How are we doing? Just put anything. And again, when I project student responses, I have those options. And in this case, you might want to do a grid layout so you can see the different things. And that's it. It is super easy to create an interactive Google slide using Pear Deck.